12 play kabaddi and football. So there are of 12 students who play. So number of students who play kabaddi and football. So here who play kabaddi and football, they are of 12 in number. So here mathematically we can write it as n of number of students who play kabaddi by means of k, and so here and by means of intersection, so and intersection the football by means of f is given by means of 12. Then now, as per the problem, 5 students are playing all the 3 games. They play basketball, football and as well as kabaddi. So here now number of students who play number of students who play basketball and football and kabaddi, they are of 5 in number. So here we can write mathematically as, so n of, that is number of students who play basketball by means of B and indicates intersection, and here this and also indicates intersection. So here we can write it as, so basketball B and that is intersection, football by means of F and that is intersection, kabaddi by means of K equals to 5. So here now let us write, so number of students who play, so here either basketball or football or kabaddi is question mark. We have to find out the number of students who play either basketball or football or kabaddi. So here or indicates, so here or indicates union. Then now mathematically it can be written as number of students, that is n of, who play either basketball, so basketball by means of B or union, so football F or union, so kabaddi K, so equals to question mark. So here, but we know that n of, so here the 3 sets are of, one is B, the other is of F and the third set is of K. So here n of B union F union K can be given by means of n of, the first one is of B plus n of, the second one is of F plus n of, the third one is of K minus n of B intersection F minus n of F intersection K minus n of F K intersection B plus n of B intersection F intersection K. So n of B intersection F intersection K. Based upon this principle, so we can find out the n of B union F union K, so which is unknown. So here number of students who play either basketball or football or the kabaddi is equals to n of B. So here n of B, So n of b, n of f and n of k. So as per the problem, so n of b is of 25, n of f is of 30, n of k is of 24. So we can write it as is of 25 n of b plus n of f is of 30 plus n of k is of 24 minus n of b intersection f. So here b intersection f is given by means of, so b intersection f is given by means of 10. So minus 10, then now minus n of f intersection k. So n of f intersection k so n of f intersection k or k intersection f both gives the same meaning. So n of k intersection f or f intersection k is given by means of 12. Then now here minus n of k intersection b. So n of k intersection b, n of b intersection k or k intersection b. So both gives the same meaning, its value of 9. So its value is of 9. Then now plus n of b intersection f intersection k. So n of b intersection f intersection k equals to 5. To simplify further, 25 is of positive 25 plus 30 plus 24. So here let us write all the positive terms together, that is of plus 5. So I am grouping all the positives together and all the negatives together. So minus 10, minus 12 and minus 9. So to simplify further, so here, so I am going to simplify these positives and these negatives separately. So here these are of positive signs. So here when there are positive signs, we can add up all these. Then we can assess the sign as what is the positive. So here also the same, there are of 3 quantities of negatives. We can add up all these quantities and we can assess the same sign, that is negative. So here 25 plus 30 plus 24 plus 5, 25 plus 5 is of 30, 30 plus this 30 is of 60, 60 plus 24 is of 84, 84 assessing the sign of positive. So here that implies 84 assessing the sign of positive. Similarly, so we have to add up these all negatives. So here 12 plus 9 is of 21, 21 plus 10 is of 31. So assess the sign of negative. So here 31 with negative sign. So this gives us n of B union F union K. The number of students who play either basketball or football or kabaddi is of. So that implies, so to simplify further, plus of minus is minus, we have to subtract greater minus least, that is 84 minus 31. So 4 minus 1 is of 3, 8 minus 3 is of 5. So to assess the sign here, among 31 and 84, 84 is greater, its sign is of positive, so it assesses the sign of positive. So in this manner I got, so n of B union F union K is equals to 53. So here we can write it as, so number of students who play either basketball union, that is or F football union, that is or K kabaddi. So here number of students who play either football or basketball or kabaddi is given by means of 53, but the total strength is of, but n of mu, the total strength is of 70. So here n of B union F union K is given by means of 53. So here we have to find out the number of students who do not play either basketball or football or kabaddi. So here number of students who do not play either basketball or football or kabaddi is given by means of, so that implies n of, so here mathematical statement is of number of students n of who do not play either basketball, so either basketball or football or kabaddi, that is whole dash. So it indicates number of students who do not play, dash indicates, complement indicates who do not play either basketball or football or kabaddi is equals to question mark. So here we can write it as n of B union F union K whole dash is equals to n of mu, from universal set we have to subtract, so n of who play basketball or football or kabaddi. To get the who do not play basketball or football or kabaddi, we have to subtract number of students who play either football or basketball or kabaddi from the universal set, that is number of students in the total, or the number of students in the class, or the total strength of the class, that is denoted by means of n of mu. So here now let us substitute n of mu and as well as n of B union F union K. So here to get n of B union F union K whole dash, n of B union F union K, that is whole dash, that equals to, so here n of mu is of 70 minus n of B union F union K is of 53. So 70 indicates the total strength n of mu, then now here 53 indicates, so n of B union F union K. So here we can write here, since n of mu is given by means of 70, that is the total strength, then number of students who play either basketball or football or kabaddi, so here we got it as 53. So based upon this reason I wrote, so here n of B union F union K whole dash equals to 70 minus 53. But for this further simplification, 70 is of positive and 53 is of negative, so plus or minus is minus, we have to subtract. 70 minus 53 is of 17. So to assess the sign here, 70 is greater than 53, 70 sign is of positive, so 17 assess the sign of positive. So in this manner I got, so here therefore n of B union F union K whole dash is equals to 17. So this indicates, so n of B union F union K whole dash implies, so number of students who do not play either basketball or football or kabaddi is given by means of 17.